over. You have no room.
Hey. What if I fall in the water?
No, I think you can swim.
Let's see. In a few minutes I'm gonna check. That's cool.
Let me want to play.
I like this sledgehammer.
Let me
Look
want
what
to
the
play.
I want to show you what sledgehammer does. Look.
Let me want to play.
1 minute after the stairs.
But you need to break a there.
You don't have to, but I want to. But you can't. Whoa.
You only can break a board.
Yeah.
Let me want to play.
Huh? Ooh.
Let me want to play.
We're gonna break this.
Let me want to play.
Okay.
Let's play. Let me want to play. Let me want to play. Let me want to play. They won't play.
They won't put. They won't put. They won't put. They won't put. Wow. Ooh. Also, so break all the legs. Seems kind of fun, actually. Dad, you know what I'm breaking? You know what I got?
What?
From that house? A sledgehammer.
Really?
Now I can break this
You're just
windmill.
breaking everything?
I'm breaking the windmill. So, spaces to jump.
Can you break everything? Like the walls and stuff? What the?
Yeah, you can't break everything.
Well, not right now. I think you can later. You get like tanks and stuff, and you could like break everything.
I saw in the videos you can drive vehicles. You can destroy everything.
Alright, I have to go to the store and get some wine.
And then you'll play with me for a little bit.
You can't win.
You gotta go, I think you gotta go, it says replace the fuse to turn power on. Turn around, you can't go in there. You have to go, see that arrow? It's telling you where to go. I want you to go there.
Where's it gonna lead me?
I don't know.
Wait, where's the arrow? An arrow leaded me to a sledgehammer. Oh. F. If I hit F.
It's a flashlight. Turn around.
No,
It
Dad.
says hit E.
I think this is the
Go down.
police part.
No, it's not.
What that do?
That's what you had to do. Now it says go inside and check messages. See, it's telling you. It'll tell you what to do.
I'm
Always go
scared.
to the arrows. You're scared?
Yeah.
Why? There's no ghosts in this game.
I know.
There's
But
nothing
what's
in this
the
game.
police cars?
Who
come
cares?
through?
Please. Alright,
I
it's scary.
can't get through that part.
You break the door down. You're not on that level yet. That's later. I'll be back.
You jump through the door. Dead. And I'm telling you the issue is
Stop.
that you
What else in here?
need to. Come on, play.
This is weird.
Come on, play it. Come on, play. Come on, play. Come on, play.
I have to.
My mom play.
Zach, you have to read. Go tell mommy that you have to read.
You want? Why don't tell mom? Gee. Mom, I got to read.
In this game, you have to read.
In that game, you have to read.
Go tell mommy. What's a J? S N T. I'm scared. Hope the police come to get me soon. I saw that in the game. I don't like it. That part is just so scared.
Want me to wait?
Daddy!
What?
In this game, you have to read. You have to read. There's some stuff that you have to read in.
What
Look.
does it say? Count it out. What are the letters?
No, I'm not doing it.
Gas bill just dropped on the floor. Honestly, I'm not sure we can make it through the month. Are you getting any requests at this point? We pretty much have to accept anything. Be creative. Okay, how do I get out of here? What'd you do?
We have to go there, but we're all the way over there.
Is this where we are right now?
Yeah,
Tools?
I believe. Wait, we have those.
What? Why are we here? Like, oh, you're on a computer.
I know.
You don't need a computer. What does it say?
I'm scared.
Why are you scared?
I was already in here.
We're going to eat now anyway. Push a button. See what happens. What does that do? Okay. You're going up, but you broke the floor.
I didn't know what that was. Oh. No, we didn't have to use stairs. Thank you, I guess. Why are we not on that level where you
What
can...
does that say? Spray King? What? That's cool. What's that thing? Get that thing, I think.
Search for Java.
Here, let me see.
Wait, can we open this? We can open the fridge. Dad, we can open that fridge. We can open the fridge.
What the?
What the? What was that?
I don't know. See, sit. Oh, I'm tangled.
That was kind of weird. So, you have a sweatshirt.
That goes up. What does it want me to do?
That hurt you.
Oh.
Yeah, that's why I did. I was like, do you get hurt in this game? I didn't really know. Hey, Dad, we should go to that X.
I think we have to read what that message said. We have to go back up to that computer because I don't know how to beat this. I want my. What does this do? What is this thing?
Paint it. What the? That's swedge. All we can do right now is break wood.
There's gotta be something we can do.
Dad, you know we can break?
What?
Just wood.
Yeah, for now.
Yeah.
Where's that computer you found? What?
It was upstairs. Wait, no, it's down here. It's right there.
Okay. Missions. Oh. Oh no, we have to go here. We're not here yet. That's the problem. It's telling us to go there. See?
We tell.
Alright, let's pause it here though, because we have to go eat, okay?
Hit E, you can go in that.
I can go in this?
Yeah, hit E.
Oh no, it says escape. You can't go in this yet. That wants you to escape when you're done.
No, this is
you
the
need to clear all the required buildings first.
No,
it says.
Dad, this is the police part.
I don't think so.
Yeah. What did it say?
Highly explosive propane tank.
That unit explode. Hit hammer. Hammer him. Explode. Explode.
I can't. I think I'm supposed to throw them, but I don't have any. How do I pick them up? It won't let me pick them up. Oh. Oh. How do you throw them? Oh, you click. What the? That's cool. Want to see a Hail Mary?
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
What? It's gonna break it. Oh, can I try? Can I try?
Yeah, I'm gonna do one more. I'm gonna throw it right through the window.
Oh.
That's cool.
You know,
The house is on fire.
I know. I'll put it out in a minute.
No, you don't have to put it out. You're supposed to. The whole point. Look, that says it's 5.2 meters too tall. That means you have to destroy the whole house, and then leave in the truck. You can move while you have it too. You can move with the buttons. You missed. You move with these buttons too. Why are you using?
No, it's okay.
Too high. Aim at it. Whoa. How are you gonna break the rest of the building now?
How do you change things?
All the numbers, like every other game. I think you can use the wheel too. You can use the wheel. Look, see the wheel on it? On the.
Yeah.
Use that too.
Wait, where's fire hydrant?
Why you want to put it out? You want the house to burn. It's gonna see how it's breaking.
Yeah. I guess now we can
I
go.
want to see if I can turn the. Hold on one sec. I want to see if I can turn the graphics up. options. Video graphics high, game field of view enabled. So I guess there's only high. Okay, it's only high. Let me see something. Okay.
So, Dad,
What?
where should we go next?
You have to destroy that building. That's the whole point. Can you get in a dump truck?
Oh, yeah.
No, can you? Get in the dump truck. Break the whole house with the dump truck.
You can actually get in
I
it.
think so.
Are you kidding, dude?
What? Break that whole house. This is like the best Minecraft ever.
So, wait, where's that? Oh, it's how you turn.
Go back. Where is the house?
Over
Oh,
there.
it's burning down to the ground.
I won't break it. How do you
You gotta
turn?
you turn with the mouse. Oh no, you turn with the buttons. You turn with all the buttons. Just like a person walking. Alright, come on.